an unboxing. Unbox my new MacBook Air with me. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Let's just get started. It's here. She's here. She's out of the bag. You guys, the last time I unboxed a MacBook Air, I was unboxing this baby. She is a bit old now. So I've had this one for a couple years now. I think almost 6 or 7 years. And I finally decided to get the new one. And here she is. Here is the new MacBook Air. Honestly, I did a long debate between MacBook Air, it just hit me in the face. Long debate between the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro, both 13-inch. And honestly, you guys, technology-wise, there isn't a very big difference between the two. I would say there are honestly just aesthetic differences between the MacBook Pro, which doesn't have the notch, and it has the touch bar. This one does not have the touch bar, has not. It's obviously the new design, and MacBook Pro is the old design still. And I went back and forth and finally went in store today and saw them both in person, and I did end up going with the Air, and I don't think it's gonna be disappointing. So I'm quite excited to try it out and use it and see if I like it, because there's no difference between the Air and the Pro now. Like, what? Okay guys, let's get her out of the box and we're gonna do a little ASMR moment here. Let's see. You didn't really hear that, did you? Gonna get the paper off. Struggle bus. Okay, now that she's out of the wrapping, let's get her out of the box. Okay, here she is. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna get to her in a second. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so first we've got the cable, which for these MacBook Airs, their cables actually match the color, which I thought was really aesthetic. And yeah, so you have your charger, which is USB-C, and MagSafe on the other side, which I really like. And then of course you've got this, and there's stickers in there, and the box, or the wall plug, or whatever you want to call it. Cute. It's tiny and cute, and that is it. So she can go now. I want to see the stickers. They're always in here. Yep, these also match. Okay, your stickers also match the color of your MacBook. Again, aesthetics, we love that. And now it's time to open her up. So let's just ASMR again. I hope this time is actually good. She is so pretty. Oh my god. Do you guys see? Do you see her? Oh my god. Here she is in all her glory. Honestly, this color is a classic, I feel like, now for Apple. And I'm so glad I got this one. I was debating between Midnight, but Midnight, the color actually smudges a lot. If you see it in store, it's like there's handprints all over it. And I didn't like that. The color was beautiful, but the smudging is not for me. So I did end up going with just space gray, and I'm glad I did because she looks amazing. Okay, here she is. She is gorgeous. She's perfect. She's amazing. Haven't even opened her, but she's great. Let's open her up. Oh my god. Is the paper already coming off? Oh my god. And there she is. You guys, I recommend. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here she is. So as you can see, these Airs are the new design and I like it. The screen is bigger on this than the Pro by 0.3. So this one's 13.6, I'm pretty sure, and the Pro is 13.3 for their screen size, that's what I'm talking about. And the only physical difference that you can see between the Air and the Pro is the Pro doesn't have the notch and it has the touch bar, and this one obviously does not. And the internal difference between the two is really that the Pro has a fan. So obviously if you are going to be putting a lot of pressure on your laptop, doing a lot of heavy work, then I definitely recommend the Pro. But if not, you can definitely get away with using the Air. You'll be perfectly fine. If you guys made it this far into the video, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys back with another video really soon. Bye!